Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen wal aqibatu lil muttaqeen wassalatu wassalamu ala sayyidil anbiya'i wal mursaleen amma ba'd fa a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim bismillahir rahmanir rahim as-salatu wassalamu alayka ya Rasulallah wa ala alika wa ashabika ya Habiballah. Dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today our topic is Specialities of Friday. Friday is a special day gifted to us by Allah Almighty. It is a very sacred day for all the Muslims. As a day of great merit and virtue, it has many specialities. Number one, Allah Almighty has made this Friday a day of Eid for the Muslims. Number two, Friday is the chief of days. Number three, the best day on which the sun rises is the day of Friday. Number four, 600 people are freed from hell in every moment of Friday in the night of Friday. Number five, on Friday, the person who performs ghusl walks early to the mosque, listen attentively to the sermon from nearby, and does not do anything unnecessary will receive the reward of fasting and worshipping at night for a year with every step. Number 6. Hell is heated up and its doors are opened every day except Friday. Number 7. On Friday, with an imama turban is equivalent to 70 Fridays without an imama. Number 8. Allah Almighty protects the Muslim who passes away on the day or night of Friday against the trial of the grave. Number 9. Friday is the Hajj of the poor. Number 10. The one who awaits Asr Salah after Friday prayers will receive the reward of Umrah. Number 11. There is an hour on Friday in which supplications are accepted. Number 12. Those who abandon Friday prayers should desist, otherwise Allah Almighty will place a seal on them and then they will be counted among the heedless. Number 13. Whosoever omits Friday prayers without a reason should give 1 dinar or half a dinar in charity. Number 14. The day of judgment will take place on Friday. Number 15. The one who dies on Friday will receive the reward of martyr. And number 16. On the day of judgment, Allah Almighty will raise all the days with their forms, and He will raise Friday. It is shining and bright. So it is very sacred day for all of us. We should respect this day. We should be careful about Fridays. We should perform Friday prayers and we should recite Suratul Kahf on every Friday. So inshallah we will gain reward of doing all these things. May Allah Almighty grant us all the blessings of this sacred day. Ameen bijahin nabiyil ameen wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alameen.